My number one item would be to develop a plan to provide universal health insurance for all Americans. I think that, as based on our discussion over the past few days, there are many uh, problems which would be solved or ameliorated if we were to make sure that everyone had access to health insurance in a way that wasn't tied to one's job, so that you didn't face the threat of losing health coverage, or if you were unemployed, or, for example, avoiding incentives to seek disability benefits or other kinds of public assistance simply for the sake of getting health insurance. So I think there are a lot of practical advantages, but also following our discussion of the social contract, I think that I personally believe that everyone should be provided with health insurance as a matter of equity, and a lot of public opinion surveys have indicated that at least a substantial majority of Americans believe that health insurance is something which everyone should have equal access to, much like public education.